What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here. Um, if you want to save money when you are buying things on eBay, I'm going to show you something very freaking easy. All right, here's my watch list. And let's say, for instance, you've added some things to your watch list. And that's the first step you should do when you're searching on eBay for whatever it is, especially if you're not in a big hurry to buy it, but you just like to get maybe a little bit better price than what's advertised. So, for instance, one of these shirts here, whatever, I've added these to my watch list. And then all you have to do is sit and wait. You might wait, 30 minutes. You might wait overnight. But I'll almost guarantee you, in a short amount of time, you will receive a notification on eBay. You'll receive a notification that the seller has noticed that you've added the item to your watch list, and they will send you an easy discount right off the bat. So just notice these first four right here. And some people will even accept a counter offer if you're hoping to get it even cheaper. But just for instance, this particular shirt, he had it originally listed for $19.49. He sent me an offer for $15 right off the bat, and I can hit review offer and accept it and buy it right then. And that's all there is to it. He just sent me a 23% offer, and I didn't have to do anything but add it to my watch list and then wait. So pretty cool. I've been doing this for a long time, and with our own eBay store, we sell motorcycle related parts and specialty tools. We do the same thing. When someone has added one of our items to their watch list, we'll send them a discount. Now, I can't usually do 20 and 30% like some of these people, but you can send them a little bit of a discount, and hopefully they'll jump on board with it and buy it from you. Same thing if you are an eBay seller. Go to your seller page. Let me just change it to desktop style. Go to your seller page here, and here's what you will do. If you have items listed, look on this part of your page under the quick filters, under the seller page, and look right here where it says send offers. Click that guy, and this will reveal items that people have added to their watch list. Okay, and then you can hit send offers, and then you can just type in whatever. You can type in a percentage off of what you're asking, or you can send an exact offer amount. You can type in a message if you want. You can allow them to do a counter offer, and then just hit send right down here. And, some people will accept the offer, some won't, some may give you a counter offer. But anyway, it's a good way to save money when you're buying stuff on eBay. And it's that simple. Anyway, check out our YouTube channel. We have all kinds of stuff on YouTube. We'll have social media links in the description of this video. But we have tons of different videos on our channel. Some new, some old, some relating to working on cars, some working on your stuff around the house, your motorcycle, your dirt bike, your ATV, appliances, tips and tricks for eBay, YouTube, Amazon, Facebook. I mean, it's just all kinds of stuff on our channel. So have a look at it. And if our video helped you out or saved your life, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen and shoot a donation. Same if it's our video or any other monetized channel. That's easy way to send a donation to the channel that helped you out. And that's it. You'll have a great day. We shall see y'all later.